In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize footers in Microsoft Word. Let's start by opening your document in Word. A footer is the area at the bottom of your pages, and it's perfect for things like page numbers, dates, or a short line of text such as a document title or disclaimer. Once your document is open, look up to the ribbon at the top and click the Insert tab. In the Header and Footer group, select Footer. You'll see a gallery of predefined styles. If one of those fits your needs, click it, and Word will place that design on your pages. If you want full control, choose Edit Footer to open the footer area so you can build your own. With the footer active, your cursor appears at the bottom of the page, and the rest of the document will dim slightly so you can focus. Here, you can type any text you want, like a document name or a short note. You can also insert elements such as page numbers or the date. If you're adding page numbers, you can position them left, center, or right so they look consistent across the document. Dates are helpful when you want the document to show when it was prepared or last printed. While the footer is open, you'll see the Header and Footer tools, Design tab at the top. This is where you fine-tune how your footer behaves. Turn on Different First Page if you don't want a footer on the title page or you want a unique first page layout. Switch on Different Odd and Even Pages if you need alternating footers, which is common in books or reports where the left and right pages mirror each other. For page numbers, open page number formatting to choose the number style, such as 1, 2, 3 or I, 2, 3, and to set the starting number if your document is part of a larger set. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Close Header and Footer on the Design tab, or simply double-click anywhere outside the footer area to return to your document. Your footer will now appear on every page, or follow the special settings you chose for the first page and odd or even pages. If you ever need to make changes, come back the same way. Insert, Footer, or just double-click the footer area to edit it. Keep your footer concise and readable, and make sure it doesn't crowd your page content. That's all there is to it. Clean, consistent footers that make your documents look professional.